Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming linked accounts and gathering proof of ownership so support can verify you fast. Once done, log into the platform that holds the DBD license, Steam, Epic, or your console store, and check account email and 2FA status. Make sure to note any unique usernames or purchase receipts. These speed the reset. Now open Behavior Interactive's support page or in-game support option so you can initiate an account reset request without delays. You'll next fill out the official support form carefully. Select account, then reset to route your ticket correctly. Include scans or screenshots of receipts and any 2FA logs so the team can confirm ownership. This minimizes back and forth. In your message, explain how access was lost or why you need a reset, mention linked platform ID, and request explicit steps for data preservation. After submission, watch your email for the support response and follow any verification prompts promptly. When support replies, follow their verification and unlinking instructions to reset credentials and reconnect your platform accounts. You should reset your password, re-enable 2FA, and then verify progression, cosmetics, and purchases in-game. Make sure to test login on all linked devices and clear cache if things look off. If something is missing or access still fails, escalate by replying with your ticket ID and any additional proof. Support will reassess and restore assets or correct linking errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.